Hi, so here we have another game to practice our times tables. This one is based on rectangles. What you need is some squared paper, some coloured pens and two 1 to 10 dice. Players take it in turns to roll the dice, and their roll gives them the times tables that they're going to look at. So here we have 6 times 5. And they will draw a rectangle to represent the 6 times 5. So they'll draw a 6 by 5 rectangle. And they work out the area of the rectangle. And that gives them their score for that round. Then the next player will roll the dice. And here they've also got 6 times 5. So they will draw a 6 by 5 rectangle as well. So here they got 3 times 5. So the player will draw another rectangle that is 3 by 5 and add this to their score. And this player has got 6 times 9, so they will draw a rectangle that is 6 by 9. And if they don't know what 6 times 9 is, then they can remind themselves that if they had made a rectangle that had one extra 6, they would have 6 times 10. And 6 times 10 is 60, but instead they've got one less 6. So it would be 60 take away 6, which is 54. So they can use the rectangles that they're drawing to help them find their multiplications if they need to. This player has got 6 times 7, so they'll draw a rectangle that is 6 by 7. And here, if they don't know what 6 times 7 is, they can realise that they could do 5 times 7, which they would know is 35, and then they can add another 7 to their 35, which would give you 6 times 7 equals 42. On this throw, where the player has got 10 and 7, so they're trying to do a rectangle that is 10 by 7, there's not actually enough space that's left for them to do their throw. So they miss a go, and it is the next player's go. And the next player has then got 9 by 7, 9 times 7. And again, there isn't enough space. So as both players have missed a go in a row, that is where the game ends. The players then sum all of their scores from all of the play that they've managed to get on the playboard, and that gives them their score. So here the player with the blue pen has scored 235, and the player using the pink pens has scored 185. So the player using the blue pens has won.